This is the SmallRig universal mobile phone cage, so I thought I'd give you a quick unboxing and see what it's like for build quality and see what it's like with the phone in place. So let's do that now. Let's unbox it. Strap and Allen key. Oh wow, this is pretty big. That is pretty big, but it seems nice and light. Although it is light, it's quite well made. So you've got the adjustment points here that you use for the Allen key. You can see that you've got some adjustment points there. That's what the Allen key's for. Mounting options. Looks like you've got absolutely tons. Some on the back, some on the top, all around the sides, all around the sides, all around the sides. There is a screw mechanism in place to tighten up or loosen, and you've got 4 cold shoe mounts up here, and looks like some NATO rail compatible areas here, maybe even some cable management there. So that looks superb. So let's get the phone in it and we shall see what it looks like. This is an iPhone 15 Pro with a silicone case on, and as you can see, it fits really easily in this large mobile phone holder. And you've got some grab handles at the sides, so you can do quick shots like this. Really steady. Seems a lot easier than actually holding your phone, you know, like this. Easy to tighten in, really secure. I suppose the silicone grip helps with that. So what we'll do now, I'll fire up my Blackmagic app with my hot button, and you'll be able to see what it's like using the video. But again, it's really light and it's really well made, so it doesn't make it very heavy. So let's adjust the sliding position here, and we'll see if we can make it a bit better. As you can see here, you've got different holes to mount in depending on where you'd like it. So you could slide it across, and you could move these entirely to slide it a bit further. So if you line up your phone, you could actually see where it lines up. So I want to line this up a bit more to this way. So I'm going to remove these screws and line it up a bit better. So I've moved these screws along, as you can see there. So I'm going to mount the phone again on there. So let's do that. That's mounted, tighten that up. Really easy to tighten up. Really easy to tighten up now. Now I can hold it like this. It's more of a centered image. Pan it across. So with these mounting points, you can actually add quite a few things on there. You can put some side handles on. You could put some microphones on. Really easy. You can mount it to a tripod at the bottom. Yeah, options are limitless. If you've got more SmallRig products, then you could really kit this out and rig it out as a really good mobile phone video recorder. So let's put some side handles on and see what I've got in my accessories box. There you go, good side handle. You got to use it like that. Good side handle on there. It's really comfortable. Let's put another one on. It's a shame there's no NATO rail sections on the side. You have to put your own NATO rail on. So let's get a NATO rail on. And there we go. You now have a very crude camera rig setup, which we can obviously improve to what you want. But like I say, using the NATO rails on, you can actually mount a whole lot more on now. So what you could probably do, you could probably kit it out with a microphone with a cold shoe. You could even put an external SSD attached to it at the top if you wanted to, because this can record to an external SSD. And yeah, I think it's pretty well made. It's certainly up for the task at hand. which is generally just recording video, yeah, I think it's superb. Very easy to hold. It's quite light, so it's not gonna you're not gonna have a bad time holding it for a long period of time. It's got lots of mounting options. It looks good, looks the part. It's quite large for what it is, but it is the universal one. I understand that SmallRig are going to make some iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max specific ones, so they would actually fit a hell of a lot better. But for what you get, it works really, really well. You'll be very happy with this. So thanks for watching. Please use the link in the video description. Really helps me out a lot if this has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.